Let's take a look at how to solve an exponential function. So we're specifically a function that's decreasing, and how to solve this algebraically. So we've got an investment of $2,000 and it's being invested in a risky stock. So it's actually losing value each month. In fact, it's losing 7% in value each month. So this gives us a decay factor of 1 minus 0.07 or a decay factor of 0.93 per T, where T is the month since we first started investing this money. And we want to know how long will it take until the stock's value decreases to 500. So how long until that $2,000 becomes 500? So here we're going to solve this algebraically. So using some algebra here, the first thing that we're going to do is divide out that 2,000 on both sides. And then on the left-hand side here, I hope that you can see that that gives us, this simplifies to 1/4. And then on the right-hand side, I have just that base 0.93 raised to the t power. So here, we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So as soon as you have just a base and that power, you can take the natural log, and we have to do it to both sides to keep our equation balanced. And then once I do that on the right-hand side here, I can apply that power rule. So remember the power rule for exponents, it says that anytime you take the natural log of a base raised to a power, or sorry, this is the power rule for logarithmic functions. It tells us that that is the same thing as t times the natural log of 0.93. And then on the left-hand side here, let's just bring down the natural log of 1/4. And so then here, our last step is to divide out both sides by the natural log of 0.93. And so t is equal to the natural log of 1/4 divided by the natural log. So natural log of 1/4 divided by the natural log of 0.93. And as you can see on the calculator on the right here, I use natural log here, but you can also use common log. So the common log of 1/4 divided by the common log of 0.93 will also give you the same solution. So on the right, if you use the natural log, it's that button there, you get 19.1 months. But if you use the common log, which is this button here, you'll see that you'll also come up with the same solution. So just be really careful. You can use natural log or common log when you have a base like this, so a base that's any number. But if you have a base that's base E, then you can only use natural log, okay? So taking the common log when you're in base E will give you a different answer. So just keep that in mind. So I usually tell students that if this is the case, then my recommendation is to just use natural log every time, since natural log works for any base and base E. Just stick with natural log instead of using common log.